guys, Mrs. K here. So today we are going to do an art project using all three color schemes that we learned about today, or color groups, okay? So I have one piece of paper. You can use three different pieces of paper and draw three different pictures representing like one for each color group, or you can just use one paper. I'm just going to use one. So I'm going to fold it into thirds. I'm going to fold this piece over until this looks like it's the same distance across as this one here. And I'm going to open it up, make this side touch that fold, and I'm going to fold it again. Alright, so now I have like three little columns or three little pieces of paper. This one's going to be primary. This one's going to be secondary. And this one's going to be the tertiary colors. Tertiary. Okay, so I can draw the same picture if I want. I'm going to draw ice cream cones. So I can have a cone here. I can have one scoop of ice cream on top. And then I'm going to put another scoop. So before I draw the top, I guess I have to draw part of the top. And then draw the next scoop. Now remember, I can only use the primary colors. So I can make two scoops, two of the primary colors, and the cone the third color, or, which is what I'm going to do, or I could draw a third scoop of ice cream and leave the cone white. Okay, I'm going to draw all three cones at once, so I can use my pencil all at once, and then I can color all at once. Scoop and scoop. And take your time. You guys do get points for drawing neatly and coloring neatly, so please don't rush it. Art class is 50 minutes long. You have plenty of time to do good work. All right, so what are the three primary colors? Let's label it on here before we forget. Red, yellow, and blue. This is like my little cheat sheet. This way I can remember which colors to use. The secondary colors are green, purple, and orange. The tertiary colors, red, orange, yellow, green. There's more than three of these, so you can just pick three of your favorites. Let's see, red, orange, yellow, green. Oh, let's do blue, violet. So those are like the combo colors. Okay. So for my primary colors, and I'm just going to use crayons. You can use colored pencils. You can use markers. You're totally fine using crayons. You can see mine. Some of them are broken. Some of them are cracked. It's totally fine. You don't need a brand new set of crayons to do this. It does help to color if you draw a little bit bigger, though, with crayons that don't have points on them. All right. So my primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So I'm going to color the cone yellow. Going inside the lines. You guys are old enough to color inside the lines. Making sure I don't have any little white spots. I'm coloring it in all the way, nice and neatly. All right. Red, yellow, and blue. Primary. Okay, and what's the last one? Red. All right. Red. like to trace all of my stuff with crayon first and then color it in. I feel like it just looks neater. Kind of helps me stay in the lines too. All right, so now I have my primary color ice cream cone, red, yellow, and blue. Now I go to my secondary colors, orange, purple, and green. Okay. I'm going to do my cone orange. So I'm going to do this purple. Coloring inside the lines. I'm not coloring messy. I'm not scribbling. I take points off for all those things. Okay. Green. I don't think I could eat green ice cream, so let's do the cone green. Okay, and orange. My crayon says red orange, and I'm going to use red orange over here, so I'm going to wait on that one and find like a really orange one. This one's a little bit oranger. All right, orange. Okay, so my secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Now on to my tertiary colors. So like I said, these are the in-between colors, the colors that kind of have like two names. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, red, violet. All those colors that have like the dash between them, those are tertiary colors. They're like a mix of two different colors. It could be one of the primary and the secondary colors. Because red's a primary color and orange is a secondary color. So now I have red, orange. Awesome. So now I'm going to do blue, violet. So I'm going to look for a crayon that either says blue, violet, or I can use a blue and a violet crayon. Can't really find blue, violet. So I'm just going to combine both of these. All right. So I have a blue and a purple. Okay. Lightly with purple, I'm going to color it in. And then I'm going to color blue lightly over top. And I'm going to try to get those two colors to blend together. I could have done that with red orange too, but I just happen to have a red orange crayon, so why make life harder? Okay, so go lightly with the purple. Then you might have to play with it back and forth a little bit to get that tertiary color, to get them to really like blend together and to look different from blue and purple and also look good. You can do this with colored pencils too. You cannot do this with markers. So I'm going lightly over the blue, and you can see already how it looks not quite blue, but it doesn't look purple anymore either. It almost looks like a dark purple. And then I think I'm going to do just a little bit of purple back over top again, just to make sure that it still looks kind of purpley. Awesome. So that's how you make a tertiary color if you only have the regular colors. Now for the cone, I'm going to do yellow-green. So I have a light green in here. Light green is usually yellow-green, so I can just use that one. If not, I could do the same thing with yellow and then a little bit of green over top, but yellow is really light and green is pretty dark, so go really light with the green and definitely do yellow first. All right, and coincidentally, it looks like I mixed these two colors together to get this one. These two I definitely mixed to get this one, and these two I mixed to get this one. That's just a coincidence. I didn't do that on purpose, but it is really cool, and it definitely shows you the difference between primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. All right, guys, if you want to do different things besides ice cream cones, you totally can. If you want to do cats, if you want to do like smiley faces, do something else, it's totally fine. I did ice cream cones because I like ice cream and because it's hot outside. Make sure you label them primary, secondary, and tertiary, and then turn it in when you're done. All right, bye, guys.